Stop losing customers. Here's how to perfect your Walmart key features. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. So our bullet points went from this, where it's kind of keyword stuffed, to this, where it's straightforward, to the point. And that is pretty much what helped us increase our client sales by 2 sales per day to 10 sales per day. Was a tiny shift in bullet points. So it does matter. So tip number 1 is to start with your 3 bullet points. Your top 3 bullet points are your heavy hitters. Just like in boxing, when you're trying to get that knockout, you want to get it right the first time. So for the first 3 bullet points, you want to make sure that they are short and concise and to the point, right? What are the benefits? Why do people care about your product, right? If we look at these bullet points, it says stop hiccups fast. And then, so we know it stops hiccups, right? But what else does it do? Who's it for? Why else do I want it? Are there any other benefits that I could like, right? So if we look at this, people are going to read these bullet points right away, and they don't want it to be like a novel. So it literally says stops hiccups fast, guaranteed to work or your money back. It's another question we get from a lot of our customers is it for all ages? It's for ages 1 to 99 years old. What about, is it natural? Does it have drugs in it? Nope, it's 100% natural. No drugs or medicine needed. And another final question is it made in China? No, it is made in the USA. So have those heavy hitters for your top 3 or 4, but I say top 3 are the most important, where you need to have those heavy hitters and be concise, short, to the point. Now, tip number 2 is for the other bullet points. You want to utilize your competitors. What are the top keywords that your competitors are ranking for? Why are they on page number 1 and you're not? A lot of the times it does come down to reviews and things like that, but keywords are still extremely important. So that way you can show up number 2, number 3, number 4, right? So if we went to Walmart right now and we typed in, let's say, hiccup medicine, here it is. Who's showing up number 1 and what keywords are they using? Those are the keywords that we want to start utilizing in our bullet points, our 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, whatever. Those bullet points, we want to add more details, more text. Because in the beginning, the customers are going to read these bullet points, and then they're going to decide, they're going to look at your title, your rating, your photos, they're going to look at these bullet points, and then they're going to decide whether to buy. If they're still not sure, then they're going to view more. They're going to review all of your bullet points. That's when you're supposed to give them more information. Why else do they want to buy? This is your time to actually add a lot more keywords. So in the beginning, the first 3 are short and concise. The other ones, you can make them a lot longer and detailed, because that's what the customers want to see. They want to read more about your product, and you're supposed to convince them on why it works, why they should buy it. So if we look at the hiccup medicine, we look at the top competitors. These ones are sponsored, so we don't really want to look at those. We want to see who's ranking ahead of us, and it's these. So this one is ranking high, and also this one is ranking very high. So we can manually look at those keywords, and there it says medicine for hiccups. So we want to add that in, medicine for hiccups, that specific keyword, right? Just like we can put in our bullet points, just like medicine for hiccups. But ours isn't medicine. Ours is 100% natural, right? So that could be another bullet point as well. And we can see what other keywords that they have in there, but they are ranking. You can also look at their product bullet points. Another way is to look at them as well and check out the competitors. And you can see why they are showing up, right? What do they have other than compared to ours? Now you can utilize Helium 10, and the link is in the description if you wanted to check it out. This is one of the tools that analyzes Walmart competitors' keywords. So you can manually do it for free, like I just showed you, or you can also utilize a tool like Helium 10 to see how they're ranking. So if we looked at this one, Mommy Bliss, and we copied their ID, their Walmart ID, then we can go back to Helium 10, we can go to Cerebro, and we can say we're searching on Walmart Marketplace. We can put this in, get keywords, and we can see what keywords they're ranking. So let's see. So you can see that it kind of bases it on Amazon, but you can see their search volume on Amazon. So you can see what keywords. So gripe water for babies, right? So you can see what keywords are showing up that they are ranking for and see, okay, maybe we can add these in. This is getting 29,000 views on Amazon. So obviously it's going to be getting at least, let's say, 9,000 views on Walmart. This is getting 15,000 views on Amazon. So if we start ranking for this on Walmart, we're probably going to be getting an extra 5,000 views. So each view matters. Your keywords do matter. So for those other keywords, those 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, look at your competitors and see what they're ranking for. See what the search volume is and see if you can implement those into your listing. And then finally is going to be making sure your keywords look nice and organized. Now what happens with Walmart is when you implement your bullet points, your keywords, sometimes it doesn't look right. So if we look at this listing, it has like a big, it's got a black bullet point, another one, another one, another one, and then it has this little white bullet point. And it kind of just doesn't seem right. Like it should have all black bullet points. Why is it randomly going to contains organic fennel and ginger, safe, natural, and affected, does dropper included? So it's got grammar errors too. So just triple check your bullet points, make sure it looks good. You can always contact Walmart or try to update it yourself so you can make the bullet points look better, because right now it's just like, see, it just looks off to me. Now we can look at some of the other competitors. See, theirs looks more formal. Theirs looks good. They got the periods at the end. It looks good. And we can look at, let's look at, we'll look at a sponsored one just to see what their bullet points look like. Again, you want it to be organized. They only have one. So this one has so much optimization to do. But yeah, so you can try to just check out and check the competitors, but make sure your bullet points are organized and they look nice, clean, and neat, easy to read. If they start bouncing around and people see the grammar errors, they might decide not to buy, and that happens a lot. And for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing where to access free Walmart seller training. So you just go to Google, type in Walmart seller training, and there is a seller academy. You don't even have to log in. Walmart made it themselves. A lot of sellers don't know about this, and I recommend that you go through this program. They even teach you about advertising performance, WFS, catalog optimization, and much, much more. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Walmart. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already a Walmart seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help selling on Walmart or any Walmart issue, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. right in the description. Our #1 service is where we'll help you manage your Walmart account. We'll come in with a dedicated consultant, looking at your listings, calling Walmart, managing your ads, listing optimization, and much, much more to increase your Walmart sales. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.